So you want to delete your Instagram account, but Instagram does not make it easy for you to find that option of deletion. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly where it is, step by step in under 2 minutes. Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Assist, and in this video I'll tell you how to delete your Instagram account. So without wasting a minute, let's get started. First, open Instagram on your iPhone, then tap your profile icon in the bottom right. Now tap the 3 lines in the top right corner. From here, go to Account Center. This is Meta's Setting Hub. Your Facebook and Instagram are both linked here. Now tap on Manage Accounts and then Manage again. Next, select Deactivation or Deletion option. Now here is what you need to know. Deactivation just hide your account. You can come back anytime. But deletion is permanent. You will lose everything. Your photos, reels, followers, everything goes. So choose carefully. Once you are ready, tap on Delete Account. Then tap on Continue. Instagram will ask you why you are leaving. Pick any reason and tap on Continue. Now tap on No. Continue with deletion. You will get an option to export your account data. I am continuing without exporting. Now it will ask you to enter your password. Enter it and then tap on Continue. Finally, tap on Delete Account. And that is it. Instagram gives you 30 days before your account is permanently deleted. So if you log back in within 30 days, you can still recover it. But after that, it's gone for good. So yes, that's exactly how you can delete your Instagram account. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.